Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. I would like to update about gold futures on my primary channel, More Crypto Online. I have reviewed now 2 or 3 times PEXG, the gold cryptocurrency, which is tied basically to the gold price. But by reviewing that cryptocurrency, I actually looked at the gold futures chart because the price is identical. The gold futures chart just allows me to be much more to have a longer view, a longer history. So I thought, why not just upload a gold TA to my second channel, More Trading Online. So let's do that. I've been talking about these price levels here already a few months ago in March, and I believe even before that, back in February in my first PEXG video. A lot of people expect in the current environment gold to be super bullish. But I've always said, since I started to analyze gold from an Elliott wave point of view, that we will see here a correction to the downside. This is now unfolding. In my last video in March, again on my More Crypto Online channel, we were nearly at $2,000, and I told you that we now have to get into the region between $1,600 and $1,720 US. This is the Fibonacci. So we have here 2 Fibonacci levels, the 50% and the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level of the wave 3 here into the wave 4. And this is just the area where you would, with the highest likelihood, see a wave 4 retrace into. It should not go down more than the 50% Fib retracement level at $1,600. If it briefly drops below it, maybe, intraday, not a problem. But if it goes below it, maybe closes a weekly candle below that level, then I think we're going to see much lower levels here, maybe all the way down to $1,331, or maybe here that we have that support here, that significant support around $1,377. So this is what it's doing now. It's just doing what it's supposed to be doing, and the Elliott waves allowed us to see that before. I had a lot of arguments with people who thought gold is going to get super bullish in the current environment with inflation going up. Nah, it's not. Well, it will be as per this chart, as you can see, but we first need to finish this correction in a wave 4, and this move up here was just a wave B, a strong wave B, which is a corrective wave. So what you normally get, in such a fourth wave, or maybe let's zoom out onto the weekly chart and we can see the longer time frame gold analysis, where we started actually here in the 1980s with a wave 1, came down in a wave 2 around the 2000 here, moved up in a long wave 3 to the upside, then came down in a 4 again. That was here the low, that was here around 2015, should be here. Then we moved up here in this wave 5. So we're basically in the 5th wave of a larger cycle, as you can see here, in a 5th wave of a larger cycle. Which means when this 5th wave is completed, which should be completed when we move up in yellow here, that wave 5 in yellow, which means as soon as we have completed this correction between $1,600 and $1,720, we should move up in that 5th wave. Again, a 5th wave has 5 waves in itself, so it won't be moving up in a straight line. It will be an up and down, but after this, we are not only going to complete this 5th wave in yellow, we are actually going to complete the 5th wave here in blue, which means that we're going to crash down quite significantly. That might happen at some point. How long did wave 4 take? Over a year. Yeah, it might not happen before 2023 or 2024. Okay, time-wise, it's very difficult to forecast timings. I mean, look at how long how long here wave 3 took. But fair enough, wave 3 is oftentimes the longest wave. But again, wave 4 took from July 2020 till basically now, so 2 years. Okay, but yeah, this is what we're looking at here for wave 4. We are doing exactly what the Elliott wave analysis suggested to us, and from here, somewhere in here, at the moment it's a bit too early to forecast that. We now need to see how the price is going to react to that 38.2% Fib level, but I can already tell you the way we are coming down here suggests we have not seen the low yet of this 4th wave. I think we're going to go a little bit deeper. Highest likelihood would be that with this wave C, so basically this wave 4 in yellow has an A, B, C, has 3 waves, A, B, C, and in this C wave we should actually make a lower low below 1675. From here we could then reverse to the upside. We can also calculate the target for that 5th wave One possible target for that, so there are various variable targets. One way to calculate this would be to take the length here of the wave 1, add it to the low of the wave 4. Now, fair enough, we don't know how low the wave 4 will go. So if we go to, yeah, maybe 1675, then a possible target for the fifth wave would be the 1.618 FIB extension, because the 100% is only the $2,000 level, would basically be a lower low compared to wave 3, not very realistic in a wave 5. But the 1.618 would make sense. That is a $2,200 level. That is how we can see it at the moment. That might change if we see further price action unfold and get a better understanding of the fractals which are developing. But this is so far what we can see here. Yeah. Another way, let me just see what we get out of this. Yeah, so of course, we can also measure it in a way like looking at the wave 3 length. So the wave 3 reached basically here the 2.618 FIB extension, moved actually a little bit higher, but it basically bounced off the 2.618 extension. In that case, you could argue that the wave 5 might reach the 3.618, which is at 2,335. We'll see where that takes us, yeah. But for now, we are working on this correction. Don't think it's over yet. Working all in line with the expectations. Let me know in the comments if you also would like to see an analysis on other precious metals, maybe like silver. And then I can take it from there and do some more of these TAs for you here as well, on a not so frequent basis, but I think it's still interesting for everybody, also just to understand how the Elliott wave method can help us to forecast price levels and price ranges. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button and leave a comment. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.